Okay, it's been a long time since I've done Omega Harbinger. Let's figure out what works. Oh, yes. This should be very simply. Let's try this. I think this will work. We are going to use 7 of the Dopplers. All right. Go get them. Let's see how it does. Basically, you just put them on aggressive. They'll kill everything. I think from what I remember when I did it before is I'm going to need to have Matt to kill the Harbinger. We'll see. But what the Dopplers will do is they will chase the dervish and kill all the dervish. All right. And they won't kill him. Okay, this is not one and done. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to end this attack. Oh, good. Okay, we got lots of time. The way you do this, that's what happens when you just goof off. How much damage? 3 minutes. So there, instant repair. Now in here, we have Matt. So let's take him out. Let's put him in a tune. Here, he can go in with Jericho. Matt. And he will kill the Harbinger with 1 shot. So let's get him over there. So you see it doesn't take very long from start to finish. But 7 Dopplers will clear everything. 3 minutes damage. And then you bring Matt in, and Matt will kill the Harbinger in 1 shot. So he's on his way. It's just that easy. It's just that simple. So let's send Matt in. Jericho, Matt. And let's have him kill that Harbinger. See, watch this 1 shot. Boom. Oh, more than 1 shot. Harbingers have really made it a little tougher. He's going down. Just keep him moving. Whoa, did a little damage to Matt. I even tried to purchase invalid. Yes, because I already have it. There you have it.